This is an installation we put in for a customer, Glanway, who came to us asking for a solution to build their bale and wrap. Previously they were working with a round baling system that wasn't performing as well as it used to. It wasn't making heavy bales and there was a lot of maintenance issues, so they needed to change the baler and they wanted to go to a square baler option, mainly to get heavier bales and to get faster loading onto the ship. The overview of the project is it's a feed conveyor going up into a CKTR 121 with 160 ton compaction force and 110 kilowatt power pack. So there's a direct wrap, cross wrap system on it that has a netting arm which provides integrity to the bale. So basically the material comes into the conveyor, goes up into the baler, comes out into the direct wrapper, is wrapped, and it presents a bale that can be loaded straight onto the ship. The setup is producing about 35 tonnes an hour and it is producing 1.4 tonne bales, and it has improved significantly from the previous installation. The netting system enables the bale to have integrity. It means that if the bales are stacked, they can stack 7 or 8 high. If the bales get cut while stacking, the netting prevents the cut from spreading through the wrap.